travel and trial kit. So it comes like this in the mesh, and what it has in here is the Enlighten cleanser. This is a 1 ounce, and the Enlighten toner, which is a spray, which is 1 ounce. And then we have the Enlighten serum, which is a 1/4 ounce, and the Enlighten cream, which is another 1/4 ounce. So this should last you a couple months. It's a good way to try the Enlighten products, and the whole Enlighten line is all about brightening your skin. It's good for not just the sun damage, but it's also good for the little marks you get from breakouts. A lot of people, depending on the melanin in their skin, they'll get darker for a few months until that really goes away. This helps that go away a lot faster, and you can just toss it in your suitcase for travel too. So it is a good way to try it. It is a good way to travel with your products. Thank you. Aloha.